Recovery after erbium laser resurfacing requires some maintenance and care of your face. So right away after a full field erbium laser resurfacing, your face is going to look awful. It is going to be swollen and burned and weeping. And so it's very important that you do two things. You keep it moist. It cannot be too moist. Do not let the skin dry out. Keep everything goopy moist. It cannot be too moist. The other thing I need you to do is to avoid the sun. In other words, wear a big hat. If you need to go outside, always wear a big hat. If you want to go for a walk, do so at night when it's dark outside. And those are sort of the two main things. Avoid sunlight and keep everything really moist. That's what you have to do after an erbium laser resurfacing. The other thing I need you to do is take the medications I prescribe you as prescribed. Refer to my medication video for that. As far as what skincare products to use, we will prescribe you a skincare regimen with recovery balms that we have you use after laser treatments. So we will set you up with those in our office. If you have any questions, let us know. But in general, just don't let it dry out. If you have to apply Aquaphor, that's fine. Aquaphor is great. Whatever you have to do, do not let it dry out. Just keep it moist while it is healing. Once the skin has healed, which generally takes 7 to 10 days after a deep erbium laser resurfacing, then you can start to wear sunblock and concealers to hide the redness. So you'll still have some swelling, but once the epidermis has healed, which takes 7 to 10 days, you can then start applying the sunblock, and you can use concealers to help cover the redness and look more normal during the healing phase. The redness will likely persist for 1 to 2 months. We call it erythema. It's the redness that your skin's gonna have after a deep laser treatment. Even though it's healed, it's gonna be somewhat red, and that redness can last for a couple months. The good news is that while you're still red, your tissues are still healing and getting tighter and building more collagen. So that is the good news. But in summary, that is recovered from erbium laser resurfacing. Avoid the sun, keep everything moist. Once you're healed, wear sunblock, and you can wear concealer. You can shower after erbium laser resurfacing right away. So you can shower, wash your hair right away. Just when you're done bathing, it is super important that you immediately moisturize your face. Pat it dry and immediately moisturize everything. It cannot be too moist. As far as exercise goes, if you want to exercise, you can exercise after a week. I would recommend, again, that you do it either indoors or when it is dark outside to avoid sunlight. As far as swimming and going underwater, you can do that after 2 weeks once everything is completely healed up, assuming you had no other procedures done where there would be a healing incision. Then, if you have a healing incision, I generally have people wait 3 weeks to submerge that area of the body underwater. To learn more, check out our website where you can upload your photos and concerns as a virtual consult. You can also check out our price estimator to get pricing information for all the various procedures we offer. And finally, if you'd like to have your questions answered on a future podcast or Q&A video session like this, please leave a message on our SpeakPipe. You can go to our blog page and our SpeakPipe is located there. Thanks for listening.